To check your transaction history on Workday, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Step 1. Log in. Access the Workday platform by entering your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct username and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the menu. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select My Account. From the drop-down menu, find and select the My Account option. This section contains various personal and transaction-related information. Step 4. Click on Transaction History. In the My Account section, look for the Transaction History link. Click on it to access a detailed list of all your transactions. Step 5. Review your transactions. Once you're in the Transaction History section, you can review all your past transactions. You may filter or sort the information based on data type or status for easier navigation. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Workday. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help resources available on the platform.